Cajon Pass Railway fans. Main track number 1, eastbound at milepost 60.5. All right, leave it in the comments. What does the P40 and the F35 mean? Pretty easy to figure out. Somebody drove up on us. Buddy's gone into guard dog mode. And he pretty much knows who's good and bad. He's not looking too happy here, so we'll see what's going on. Saw a train like this 2 weeks ago with all white trailers. Not sure what the deal is. They're definitely not brand new. They're kind of clean, but keep your eye on them, buddy. I'm trying to stay out of my video, so it's either somebody nice or a cop. Either way, I'm going to keep this camera going, so we'll see what's going on here. I was at the viewpoint about 2 months ago and a highway patrol pulled up behind me. I was in the car, opened up the door, Buddy jumped out. This cop got back in his car so fast, you would have laughed your head off. He said, "I'm just seeing what you're doing." I said, "I'm watching trains." He goes, "Oh, okay, okay." Yeah, Buddy jumped out, his eyes lit up, and he just started backpedaling. Nice guy, I guess, but he did run my place after that because he stayed parked for about 5 minutes. But I'm not a bad boy, so no worries there. I'm gonna turn my back to these people over here. Keep my foot on the leash. All right, we know you like that. Please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and help us out on Patreon or YouTube. Super thanks or channel memberships. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. We will catch you on the next one. I hear another train coming.